When the Supreme Court rejected Hemant Soren's bail plea, do you know why they rejected it? Because they found inconsistencies and the evidence of fact hiding in the petition filed before the court. And it says that your client was acting, we doubt that your client was acting in bona fide. You are coming to the court with blameworthy conduct. That means you have done something so bad that even prima facie we found you worthy of blame. Does Rahul Gandhi understand English or law, anything? Or is he sitting with 5-6 chamchas who agree with whatever he says? I'm not using strong language. No, Subrashta, no. We are saying as Subrashta that the Supreme Court found a watertight case against Soren and Kejriwal. It is just that it gave a 2 to 3 week holiday to Kejriwal and is going right back. But where's the Adivasi angle here, Subrashta?
I think, Arnav, for the first time in Rahul Gandhi's entire political career, he's pretty clear on what he wants to do.
Yeah.
But Aam Aadmi Party perhaps is not. Kejriwal, in front of the entire country, has basically ditched the India alliance and said that Congress alone is going full throttle in these elections. But look at the desperation of the India partners. They are desperately trying to latch on to Rahul Gandhi's words, uttering here what he has not said. What he has said and what he has made very clear is Arvind Kejriwal. He does not like Arvind Kejriwal. And I'll tell you why. Let me dig a little deeper and psychoanalyze Rahul Gandhi's behavior. Rahul Gandhi is insecure of any young political leader who can challenge him and who can challenge the might of Mr. Modi. In Rahul Gandhi's imaginary world, he feels that Kejriwal can be a force against Mr. Modi, which is why he wants to finish Kejriwal's political career, and that is why he made the comment that he made today. Now, let us understand, Arnav, what is actually going on. What is going on is that the seats on which Delhi, Delhi is going for polls very soon this weekend, and Arvind Kejriwal knows that there is a tough competition on many of the seats with Aam Aadmi Party. What he has said is a clarion call to his own karyakartas. But what Aam Aadmi Party is not able to comprehend and perhaps make sense of is, how do you walk out of this political quagmire? Now, when I said that Rahul Gandhi for the first time in his life has some unprecedented clarity, it was a sarcastic comment. Because on the eve of elections, why would you want to completely dismantle the supposedly unique fabric that you have built for the alliance? Why would you want to do that? And this is a very dangerous trend, by the way, Arnav, to not just discredit the supreme institution of this country, which is the judiciary, but also to go ahead and look for Adivasi and caste angle in a routine
No, this
court
is because
judgment.
it's the only angle he has,
Absolutely
Subrashta, in
dangerous.
this election.